Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Every once in a while, I tell you that I've got this car from a really good seller. That's this one right here. This guy is so fussy. I'm telling you, you want to buy a car that this man has owned. He goes through it front to back. They are dialed in. They perform really well. They're fantastic cars. Every one of his cars, the new owners have been thrilled. So this is one of those cars from one of those customers. He's fussy. I won't sell him a car because it'll drive me nuts, but I'll buy cars from him. What we have here is a 1968 Dart GTS 340 number match, complete ground up restoration. It has factory ice cold air conditioning. It has bucket seats with a center console. Very desirable equipment, very rare car. Great colors, got a lot going for it. Go to volocars.com, and that is where you can read all the specs, take your time to look at over 100 pictures, and that's where you find prices on over 200 collector cars that we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So the gentleman I got it from is not the guy that had it restored. The guy that restored it, because I have receipts sitting over there, he was a Mopar collector. Some of the invoices for restoration, on the same invoice, there was bills for his Superbird. So this shop was restoring this car and a Superbird for the same guy at the same time. This wasn't a restoration to flip. This was a collector doing it because he had passion for the car. He probably spent more than what we're asking. It was done 10, 13, 14 years ago, and it looks like it was done yesterday. So anyway, the whole bottom of the car is restored. Let me grab these pictures real quick. These will be on our website, but here's a folder full of receipts. Here's a picture of the car with no doors, fenders, glass, motors pulled out of it. It's completely gutted inside, just stripped down to a bare shell. These will be on our website. So the whole bottom of the car, clean metal, all the frame rails, floor pans, rockers. And then it was all prepped and it was sprayed with a color-matched bed liner, so rubberized silver painted on the floors. All the components are restored. The whole front end is all rebuilt. All the control arms are smooth and painted, and all the bushings and ball joints and shocks and springs, and it's all redone up there. The steering box was completely rebuilt. Same thing in back. The bushings, the shocks are replaced. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. The starter was rebuilt. It's the original style starter. It has the 727 Torque Flight automatic trans. That was restored, rebuilt. New drive shaft and U-joints. 323 rear end in the car. The straps on the fuel tank and the fuel lines, all that looks like it was replaced. The brakes have been completely redone. They are disc in front. The e-brake is all hooked up. The exhaust was from a company called Accurate Exhaust. So it's a reproduction of the original exhaust, the right style mufflers, right style tips. I don't think I forgot anything, but under the car, it's like a new car. The body's amazing. This guy that I got the car from, he's very fussy when it comes to fit and finishes. This thing is laser beam straight. The gaps are precise, they're square and they're flush. All the panels fit real nicely. I love the hoods on these GTs. That's a cool feature. And this is in really nice shape. There's a little bit of red in here too. It matches the red line tires. So there's no rust, no problem areas, no blisters, no dents, no damage. Actually, I didn't see any scratches or nicks. Doesn't mean I didn't miss one, but I just went around the whole car and I didn't see any. Painted its original silver metallic color, and it has a very, very glossy clear coat finish. So like I already said, these look like new. The emblems look new. All this trim is in really nice shape. Bumpers rechromed. I don't know if they sell this grill new, but it looks like a new grill. In really nice shape. Correct antenna. New windshield. All the stainless trim around the glass and around the gutters, all straight and shiny. The rubber gaskets are new. The vinyl top is new. No issues. Door handles are new. Now it's got 14-inch steel rims painted to match the car with the poverty hubcaps, reproduction Firestone redline tires. Door jambs are just as slick as the car. Weather strips are replaced. The bumblebee stripe is correctly applied. The round marker lights look new. The tail lights are new. The tail panel's excellent. Just a little bit of the black paint is flaked off. Bumpers rechromed. Inside the trunk, all solid metal, painted silver. It's real glossy under the trunk lid. It has new sticker, weather strip, insulation on the back of the seat. New trunk mat. Does have a spare underneath the floor. It has the jack assembly bolted in proper place. Has a remote mirror, looks like new. Interior is excellent. Like I said, it's bucket seats with a console, which is very desirable and not seen that often in a Dart. But the seats are all rebuilt, new cushion. The upholstery fits like a drum. Same with the headliner, fits tight like a drum. So the front and rear seats all redone. New carpets, has embroidered floor mats. The center console's original, so there's a little pitting on the chrome, but it's not beat up. It's in good shape. Show quality motor compartment. The engine bay is all clean, straight metal, painted a gloss silver. The number right here matches the number on the fender tag, which is still attached. The motor was rebuilt, balanced, and dyno tuned. It has stock manifolds, valve covers, distributor. It does have a new Edelbrock carb. It runs perfect. In the trunk, we've got a professionally restored original carb for the car. It's beautiful. It's something I should put on my desk. It's all refinished. But what's neat about that number on that carburetor is specific to this car with air conditioning. So you'll never find that carburetor again. But there it is. It's probably $500 to $1,000. The inside metal's painted nice. He even put plastic over the bottom or tape just so it doesn't get scuffed with your feet. All the seat belts front and back are excellent. Door panels, armrests, all that's in really nice shape. The whole dash area is really nice. Everything fits. It's not cracked, broken, drilled. The original AM radio, which is beautiful. There's a receipt in there for, I think, $1,000. It was all restored with modern guts. You turn it on, and it's an FM stereo. And I see some auxiliary cords in the console, so you can probably plug into it as well, I'm guessing. But all the gauges were sent out. There's a receipt. Restored, so they look like new. They're recalibrated. That's something a collector does. He sends out the gauges to be calibrated. So we have power steering. We have a reproduction Mopar battery bolted down properly. The clutch fan's new. The shroud, the radiator, the cap, all of that's in excellent shape. Squirters are hooked up. It has hood insulation. The air conditioning is ice cold. It's a factory air car. It does have a new modern compressor. Looks like the dryer's new. It has R134 Freon. There was some switch that changes from heat to air. He paid $500 for that. So a lot of money was just spent to make it cold functioning heat and air conditioning. Show quality motor compartment. The AC vents are down below the dash. That's the way it came from the factory. It has a new glove box liner. Steering wheel's in really nice shape. So just a great car inside and outside. Does come with the receipts and a few pictures of the restoration. So someone's going to get a great car. If you want one that's turnkey, ready for show and go, quality's there, it's a looker, it's a runner. You drive this thing, it's like driving a brand new 68 Dodge Dart. Really impressive car in all regards. But that's my opinion. You can go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to reach out to our salesmen. They would be happy to answer the questions you have or concerns you have. They can also get this delivered to your driveway, and they can also get you financed. It's at volocars.com. If you like these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so you're the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.